Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic Lumix DC-BGH1 camera and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings, and maybe you don't have access to the screen or anything like this, so we need to, or maybe it's not responding, so we need to do it, we can force it to do this hard reset via the button pushes instead of trying to navigate via the screen. So all we need to do, if this is something we want to do, is we're just going to go ahead and press the on the device. We're going to press that Q menu button and then the FN2 and the FN3 button. We're going to push all three of those buttons simultaneously for about a second or two, after which all the lights on the camera should blink for approximately 5 seconds, and then the camera will automatically turn off, and then it will automatically turn back on. And all of the recording settings and network settings, setup and custom settings, all that will be restored to their factory defaults. You can go ahead and set this camera up as a brand new camera.